like that, you know. But I'm the one that ease your pain, I know.
What's up, Kinfolks? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dazja Jordan. For those of you that are new or my returning Kinfolks, oh, what's up? So you guys, welcome back to another vlog. So with that being said, happy Saturday. So right now the boys and I are just sitting down having breakfast. I didn't make anything spectacular. I just made some French toast and some hash brown because okay, that's just what I woke up feeling this morning. I didn't want to do too much, and we've got things to do today, so we need to be starting to get dressed and all of that and make a move, you know. And if you look at me, I don't even look fully dressed or anything like that. I don't even look like I did anything with myself, and I haven't. But anyways, you guys, I wanted to hop on before we got dressed and got the day started, just to kind of give you guys a quick rundown of what to expect for today. So like I just said, right now we are having breakfast. After breakfast, we are going to get dressed. The boys have a school event, a fall fest at school from 11 to 3. So we are going to go to that. My plan is to be on time so that the boys can maximize their time and enjoy every part of the fall fest. After that, I need to go to the grocery store because I would like to make burgers for dinner tonight and stuff like that. I'm not gonna do a big grocery shop or anything because I want to save that for tomorrow, and I haven't quite planned out my meals for the week, so I just kind of wanted to go in and get what I needed for today at least. So we're gonna do that. And yeah, that's really just the plan for today. Okay, so I know it doesn't sound like a lot, but it's gonna be a day. It's gonna be a long day. So my goal is to try to get a nap in for these kids, but we know how that typically goes. One takes one, the other doesn't. But hopefully I can get both of them to, you know, lay down and do their thing. But anyways, you guys, if you haven't, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that little bell on the side so that you don't miss an upload from your girl. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Now we are going to finish having breakfast so that we can get dressed and head on out of here. So see y'all in a minute. Ooh, la, la, la. Ooh, la, la, la. Ooh, la, la, la. Ooh, la, la, la. Okay, you guys, so we are ready to go. This kid right here, look. Okay, guys, so we are ready to go. The boys and I are dressed. We are getting ready to head on out to their school fall fest. And before we go, let's go ahead and do a quick outfit check, okay? Because y'all know how I do. Now, again, I'm not wearing anything fancy, but I have on this hoodie from Her Beauty is Black Line, and I will link it in the description box down below. Stop it. And then I have on some shorts that I got from Target, and then of course there's some socks, and then some Jordan 1s, y'all. These are my favorite shoe. Oh my god, what is my kid talking about in there on that iPad? So yeah, y'all, this is the outfit. But anyways, you guys, we are going to go ahead, pack up the car, get in, and we will see you guys at the school fall fest.
Bye!
So, you guys, we made it to the school event, and it is so much fun. And of course, I got my number one Tay right here, even though she's not paying attention. There she is. It is a nice vibe. The school is doing a wonderful job.
Yo, my men and my women. 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 Some girls are only about that thing, that thing, that thing, that thing, that thing, that thing.
Body area, shorty got that body area. Hit it once, no time, set up.
Alright, you guys, so now that we went to the fall fest, all of us had fun, but
Hi!
all of us had fun. Be quiet. All of us had fun, but one person. Now we're at the grocery store because I've decided that I'm going to put some burgers on the grill.
Ew.
So my friend and I, we are going to make mac and cheese, baked beans, put some stuff on the grill, and just kind of like chill, have some wine, and relax for the rest of the day. So right now we are at Publix. Stop it. So right now we are at Publix so that we can listen, y'all. This is why I need wine. Dang kids. But anyways, you guys, we're about to go in here in Publix, grab what we need, and then head on home because clearly my kids need a nap and some old things, okay? So let's go ahead and get in here so that we can hurry up and get out. Okay, guys, so we are back home from the store, and I just went over to my homegirl Tay's house. She lives right across the street, and she was teaching your girl how to make mac and cheese. You know, so fun fact about me, I don't know how to make mac and cheese, but she taught me. So eventually, we'll be trying it here on this channel because I think I got it. It's something different than actually being in someone's presence and they teaching you versus looking at it online or something. So y'all, the mac and cheese is gonna be macking when I bring it to y'all on the channel. But anyways, this is also going to be my first time actually grilling on my grill. Now normally I have somebody over here that knows how to work a grill and that be barbecuing stuff for me. However, this time around it is me doing it. So I got some burgers here. I got some turkey burgers, and then I also got some beef burgers. I'm getting ready to season them up, and then we are going to go outside to the backyard and put them on the grill. Y'all, I got me a gas grill, so I think I'm really doing something big because it's a gas grill, okay? Like, it's a gas grill. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started on that. The kids are asleep right now, so I can concentrate. I can just try my best to get this right, pretty much. So right now, the baked beans are in the oven. Tay's she's got the mac and cheese in her oven over at her house. I'm gonna get started on these burgers, and everything should be done around the same time. And yeah, I can't wait to tell y'all how everything turns out for me. So fingers crossed that everything just works out and these burgers is the bomb, okay? But anyways, let's go ahead and get cracking on seasoning them up and getting them on the grill, because for me that seems to be the most challenging part, but we're gonna get it. Now let's go ahead and get started. Okay, you guys, so bad news. I went outside to put some burgers on the grill, y'all, and it's out of propane. So y'all not finna see Grilling D today, okay? Tragic. But y'all see me prep these burgers, and we ain't gonna do nothing but go ahead and throw them on the cast iron skillet on the stove, because baby, that's what we do. Okay, so we're gonna do that. Burger's still gonna turn out real good in fire. It's just gonna take us a little longer to get it accomplished, but that's okay. We're gonna get started on that now so that everything is done and looking good. So when one thing don't work, baby, we're gonna improvise and we're gonna make another thing shake, okay? So let's go ahead and get these burgers on the stove. Okay, you guys, so it is later on in the night. It is about, what time is it? It is about 11:11. So for one, I know they say 11:11 make a wish, but I want to do 11:11 thank God for sure, because today was a really good day. I got to spend time with my kids, which is something that I really enjoy doing. I got to spend time with some friends, which I love doing that as well. Today was just so peaceful, and it was just so, you know, like sister best friend type of day, something that I really needed. I had been missing, so nostalgic. So yeah, it was real nice, y'all. We hung out, we cooked, we vibed, we watched TV together, we did hair. It was just a really good day, okay? So with that being said, your girl is getting ready to go take off her makeup, hop in the shower, do the night routine, get these kids in bed, get myself in bed, and I'm gonna holla at y'all tomorrow, okay? So, good night.
Bad like that, you know. But I'm the one that eats your pain.